Good afternoon, team. As per decided, the topic of our GD is India. Is a startup India boosting our entrepreneurship? And I want to introduce this topic with the agree statement of this topic. Uh, Firstly, I want to introduce what is a startup. A startup, a startup basically is a small business company or a, s- a startup is a small business started by some team members or some a student. Our Indian government has launched uh, a, a bill to support entrepreneurship in last 2020 budget. uh, there are many challenges and hurdles. There are many challenges as hurdles were faced by the entrepreneurship in India before this bill. Uh, they have to uh, validate their startup in a reputed institute or they have to find a financer to start their startup. Then there are many risks and there are many hurdles they have to face for their success. Thank you.
Huh. Good afternoon, gentlemen. So, my friend has introduced the topic, so I would like to say some more points, introductory point. First, our topic is regarding the startup, which is already been implemented on the year 2016 or 17. That must be the year. I don't know the exact date. So, our NDA government was presented this idea in the budget, and the maximum majority have passed this budget. So the what startup of India, basically it is the idea, it is the basically the idea regarding the business, regarding the people who wants to start business with some creative idea or innovative idea. Okay, actually it is the basically it is the growing new business, which is targeting the youth, or means they are youth are getting very good opportunity to explore the business world. As we all know that conventionally people like to explore the engineering field or the medical field. Beside them, there is one more option to be explored by the student, that is the business one. So I would like everyone to discuss further regarding this topic.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to start this group discussion. Today's topic given to us is about the future of our India, for our youth, in which we are going to discuss today is about the Startup India, an initiative by Indian government, how it helped the entrepreneur, the new youth generation, to succeed in their life and complete their dreams. In India, there are many, as the most number of youths are in India, so the most number of new ideas in the mind are of in the youths of India. So the most needed startup initiative was to be happen in India, which was launched, as my colleague said, that it in the budget 2020 it was launched. So it was very useful bill, but was it successful or not? Today we will discuss on it. So I will invite all my members to join into the discussion and uh, give their points on it.
Okay, so I would like to say some points here regarding the ideas. My friends have already discussed that this program target the ideas to the people. So what type of ideas? So I would like to give the ideas just like the foreign trades. The trades people can do trades. So there are two types of trade: foreign trades and domestic trades. Domestic trades means the trade within our country itself, and foreign trades means one country to another country. Trading must be happen. So the trading sector is a very much growing sector nowadays. So people may explore this type of idea regarding to get a better opportunity for the new entrepreneur, developing in our country.
But
And
how the
secondly, I would
trade,
like,
but how the trade will help in the entrepreneurship? How it is coming under the startups?
as
These
the
are all
shipping,
Yes,
as the
established
Atul.
from a
shipping,
long time.
as yes,
Startups
yes, yes,
means
as the
something new
shipping
which
industry,
haven't been
yes.
yet created.
Yes, yes. As the shipping is taking places by various private companies, means there are very private. There are n number of private companies that just like the DTDC and many more company which are newly started just for the sake of the shipping industry. And for shipping industry, they need some transport facility. The trade means the product which needs to be supplied from the supplier side to the consumer side must be go through a certain process. That process needs to be developed by the traders. So what I mean that the trade just give a very good opportunity for the building such empire which anybody needs. So that was my idea. And regarding the big industry, name of the big industry, Reliance Industry has already given a very n number of
Anand,
jobs to the.
what do you think that trade is the only that
No, no, it is not
built
only. I have said that it is one of the idea which I would like to discuss. There are very more ideas leaving behind.
but you are
So
focusing on trade.
yes, yes, I am focusing because I would like to discuss further more. So, any more points you are
Yes, yes.
talking to?
So, but as there are so much competition in this field of startup also, when it was earlier, it was happening then also it was so much, in the beginning it was not so much in the light, but nowadays everyone, in fact all the three of us present here must have some ideas about some startups which we want to do in
Yes,
our
first,
future.
first,
But is it
some chal-
possible? But is it possible with this initiative also that we can do the entrepreneur? We can become entrepreneur because the steps, the process needed, is still now is the huge hectic. Do you know why the companies don't come to India? Because there are a lot of paperworks in India. There are a lot of paperworks, so which one
for
don't want to
for this
do
Atul,
that.
for this paperwork, and there are many hurdles, so that entrepreneurship don't get a chance to present their views of company to the market. They have proposed a bill, and after this bill, India started with less than 25 billion dollar startup, and now in this current situation in 2021, India have boosted to 125 billion dollar startup.
Huh. The figures are all right. I know all the figures. In fact, whenever the government talks, they talks in lakhs and crores. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the outcomes which are coming out. Do you know how many
Yeah, this
startups?
is the
How many
outcome.
startups just don't come because they don't
They
have the
start.
actual
This is the
guide.
outcome.
They don't
This is the
get the
outcome.
actual
They
guide.
started from 25 billion dollar, and today's this is a huge amount of 125 billion dollar.
Just
I
because.
totally agree with my colleague Atul that the paperworks are really very hectic to be created, means to build a new empire in India. I know that I would like to means urge the government also that the government should take some decisive decisions to minimize or short the paperwork so that some new ideas can be implemented directly to the ground level. As I would like to give some names like the GoDaddy.com. It is one of the startup which provides you the domain name. So initially GoDaddy was very much unknown to everyone, but as soon as they started building their own setup and people getting know to the domain, so it is creating a very good opportunity to people for the making good businesses. And
Yes,
I would like to say the Geo industry.
let's
Geo
take.
industry was initially targeting the SIM card market, but now it is building the daily product market, the daily use market. They are,
I think Geo cannot be taking under the startup,
Yes, why not? Why not? Because
why not? Geo is
Jio is
also
a
one of the
new
startup.
company. It is not matter. It doesn't matter that it was started by Ambani.
because this is launched by Reliance.
But it was a startup. It was a new
It is
Its
a
thing.
its
new
domain
idea.
its domain company is Reliance now.
Yes, it is also
Reliance
true. It is
Industry,
also
Reliance
true.
Industry is
You are
another. Means
also
the
right. Yes.
partnership is not within Reliance Industry
No, but
and Geo
it
Industry.
doesn't comes under
I
startup.
think the
It
Geo can
doesn't.
be launched
Yes.
as a product of Reliance.
Yes, it doesn't comes under startup because startup means something from scratch. Means you do not
Yes.
know, and you are just a beginner in that thing. That only because if now the Byju's CEO launch something, it will come under the product of Byju's, not on a startup. Startup is some new idea. You can consider.
Just like Oyo,
Yes,
you
yes.
can,
Just like Oyo, Byju's,
yeah,
Whitehead Junior,
Byju's.
these are the things which are startups now. There are many more, but the thing is that there are many more startups which is more good than the those which are out in the market, but they don't get the exact guide. They don't know how to bring their products into the market. Just they have the ideas, but no one is there to listen them. So the initiative is taken, it is good, but it should be launched in every area of the India so that each and every group can go there and present their idea. The number of offices, I think, of Startup India is very less. Even in my
Hmm.
area, I don't know that there is any uh,
No, no, no. In
location or not.
in district of every districts of every state, every district of states have a startup office. You can go there and and show your idea, and
But
they have
Here I would like to say some interesting point regarding the mentality of the youth. Okay, so people, maximum youth's mentality are just targeting on the employment. Means they just want some jobs. They does not want to get into the field of, means they does not want to take risk to build a new empire, new government. Sorry, new business. They are just following the ship's part. Means the one is following and others are also just following the same. That is the main problem regarding the not so much of fascination regarding the startup in India. The youths are not that much demanding regarding to, but there are some youths. I definitely telling that there are some youths who are very much interested in building some
and
empire.
not all
Not all of
startup ideas are going to be selected. They have to pass the some challenges and hurdles,
yes, yes,
uh,
that's right.
challenges
and
are always there.
they
Because
Without
have to.
challenges, no one can
all
build a
startups
such.
are not success. Some of the startups are just
Yes.
copy of the another. So
Yes, yes,
with
yes.
just few changes. Those are not the start. Those are just to
Those are
come
not come in the
and
category of startup.
yes.
They are just copy paste and build some here one.
Startups
uh,
are something which can solve a certain problem of the public.
yes, yes. You guys will be amazed that the China, which was very much famous due to the corona, the China, what the citizens of China do. Every house, China, every house, in every house there are people who are making something, means circuitry board, anything which is needed by the common people. They are just making in their own homes. Means you can see the ideas. Means you can see the creativity,
No,
productivity of the
because
people of China, that
it is
they are making.
This is another thing.
no. This
This
is
is under the
because
a skill of the
Yes, yes,
people.
they are
yes.
just taking part in the means making
No,
Yes,
this is
they,
due to
they
the early age education. These are the is result of early age education in the school which they are being taught.
Mm.
In our
But
school,
this
there
is the
is
lacking behind in India.
yes,
People are not getting
yes,
that
yes.
much of education to
That's what I was trying to say. That only the startup India is
a
a
pot maker,
big
the
a
picture
pot
maximum
thing.
maker
failure
makes.
of startup just are the behind the reason of this one. As the early age education is not present,
Yes,
so
yes,
the
yes.
people are maximum failing in
From
But my
starting.
friend, we are discussing about the startup. Is a startup India boosting entrepreneurship?
We all discussing the circumstances. As Atul has said that it is successful or not, so we are
Yes.
discussing the
the
cases. We are all,
all the perspectives we have to discuss. The
yes,
startups, the nowadays, as Anand said, that many of the youths don't take the chance to get
risk.
fail. Okay, they just want to
They have idea.
they just
As
want to
many
be in
youths
the
have
herd
made.
and follow the ship ship
Uh,
ship steps. But no, this is not the thing. We have to make them
Many youths
understand in
have
the early
idea.
ages only that there
Many
are.
youths have idea. They have they do, but they don't have any blueprint. They don't have any blue sketch of their plan. so that they can introduce to market.
So, who
Why
are
any
going
finance,
who are
why
going
any
to give you
financer
the
are
skills and the blueprints? It's only you, na. You are
yes,
getting
yes,
some idea.
if
You have to
yes,
prepare some blueprint. You have to
yes,
present in such a beautiful way that it must be successful by the granted by the government. So it's your own duty. It's not other duty that
I'm
you
also
have to just
telling
give
that
idea.
I am also telling that thing, Mr. Anand.
Yes, yes, discuss,
Today,
discuss.
today youth have today all youth have many ideas.
Idea is
As
not important.
yes,
Implementing the
yes,
practical idea is important.
but they have not implemented.
Yes, that is the failure. That is the reason of failure.
Yes,
Just
but
daydreaming is not the idea.
but
You have
our
to
Indian,
implement it,
but
work
our
on it.
yes, this is the mental status of our youth. They don't want to get engaged with our consultants of our Startup India office.
So
If you have any idea,
coming back to
if
the
you have
topic.
any idea,
Okay, coming is, so what, as the timing also is going to up. So what are your conclusion about the, has Startup India helped entrepreneurship in India or not?
as I have
Definitely, it has
started
helped
that,
our youth for facing some challenges regarding this business area. Many youth have succeeded in this field. Many have failure. The failure and success is not that much meaning to the any field. Failure and successful is one of the result circumstance which came in every field. Either it is UPSC field, either it is engineering field, or any field. So failure and without both, I would like to urge the youth that without bothering about the failure and success, they should focus on their idea, how to implement it, bring it to the world, so that it can be implemented. And our whole world should face some very devastating idea with a very beautiful implementation. So that was my point, concluding area.
yes, I have started with as I have started with the agreement statement of the started Startup India, and I am going to stick with my point that Startup India has boosted the entrepreneurship in India. There are many entrepreneurship come to the market and they have succeed in this field. And we can take the example of Zomato, Swiggy, Oyo. These are the success examples of a Startup India, and they have grown. Uh, they have grown and they have boosted the economy of India. Thank you.
So it was very nice discussion about the topic. In our opinion, we have come to the conclusion that Startup India has boosted entrepreneurship, but it should have some more improvement. That as everything need to be some improved somehow, so that it can benefit most of the maximum of the public in our India, as there are youth number increasing day by day. So the uh, structure of the this Startup India initiative should be improved, so that every youth can get the benefit from it, and more and more entrepreneur can come out in India, because an a normal job employee will be less productive than an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur can contribute more to the country than any job employee or anyone else. So thank you, that's all from my side.
Yes, yes, thank you. It was a very good discussion. Thank you, everyone.
Oh,